The GoSearch Slackbot is your team's fastest way to search, ask, and act right inside Slack. With GoSearch, you don't need to leave your workflow to find answers or get help. There are 3 ways to use the Slack integration. Let's walk through each one. First, you can send a direct message to the GoSearch bot. Let's ask, what is the Go Profiles team working on this sprint? GoSearch pulls context from connected apps so you can get quick updates without logging into multiple tools. Next, you can mention at GoSearch in any channel to ask questions or loop in an AI agent. Here, we'll ask the IT helper agent how to reset our password. We can follow up with extra context and the agent adjusts its response instantly. It's a natural back-and-forth chat, powered by your connected tools. You can keep responses private to you or share them with the channel. Finally, you can run a search or GoAI query directly in Slack. Let's look up blog schedule. GoSearch finds related results instantly, and we can open or share the resource right from Slack, keeping everyone aligned without switching tabs. That's the power of GoSearch for Slack.